Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to go over how to create a social bookmark using drip feed blasts. Okay, so I'm on the page right now and the first thing I see in a light blue background is a notification, and it's reminding me that I only can run social bookmark blasts up to 3 times. That's each unique social bookmark blast. Okay, so now that we have that in the back of our head, we can move on and start creating social bookmarks. The first thing we're asked is to create the nickname for the blast. In this instance, I'm using GoToMeeting SBook, and SBook standing for Social Bookmarks. After that, we have to start entering the data that's actually going to be used to create the social bookmarks. The first thing I'm asked is my URL, which in this case is gotomeeting.com. After that, I need one or more titles that will be used to create the social bookmarks. So I used Best Webinar Software and Buy Webinar Software. Next, I need to fill out a description, which is a 1 to 2 sentence summary describing my website. So I said GoToMeeting is a great way to communicate with clients and show them more about your product. After that, I need to fill in one or more keywords and tags. So I selected 2, webinar software and screen sharing. Finally, you have to select up to 3 categories. I selected internet, SEO, and software. You don't have to select 3 categories. You can select less. You can select 0, 1, or 2. And then if those categories aren't available on a specific social bookmarking site, we'll randomly pick another one for you. If you're trying to select more than one category, make sure to click the control button to select multiple categories. Alright, so we filled out all the information we need to create a social bookmark. So now let's take a look at what we've done. After clicking the preview and save button, we're taken to a page that gives us a preview of what a social bookmark site will look like with the data that we entered. So as you can see, I have my title, my URL, my description, and then my keywords and tags. Everything looks fine, but if you submitted more than one piece of data for a specific field, like I did with titles, I chose Buy Webinar Software and Best Webinar Software. So by clicking the View New Spin button, I actually can see the different variations and make sure everything's working. So as you can see, my title rotated from Buy Webinar Software to Best Webinar Software. Everything looks good, so I'm ready to create this blast. I have 2 options. I can either just create the blast, or I also can create the blast and then go schedule it. I like using the second option because usually after I create a blast, I want to schedule it. And what this does is it makes it convenient and easy for me to schedule that blast. So I'm going to click it. As you can see, my campaign, Bob's Project, and my blast that I just created, GoToMeeting SBook, is already filled in. So now I just need to decide if I'm going to schedule on the Loop or the calendar scheduler. And that's your choice. So that pretty much sums up how to create a social bookmark in drip feed blasts. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please contact us at dripfeedblast@gmail.com and we'll make sure to get back to you and help you out. Thanks for watching.